Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the gift card value and expiration. This avoids surprises at checkout. Next, sign into the merchant account or payments portal and navigate to the gift card or promo section. Enter the card code exactly. Once done, apply the card to your cart. The system will subtract the card balance first. If the purchase exceeds the card, prepare an alternate payment. Make sure to note any activation or PIN steps the issuer requires. Now you focus on applying the card during checkout. Choose gift card as the payment method, paste or type the code and hit apply. The platform should show a reduced total. If not, remove and retry the code. If the card covers part only, select a secondary method for the remaining amount, credit, debit, or PayPal. Once both are set, verify taxes, shipping, and the remaining balance. Then proceed to confirm and authorize the transaction with the combined payment. Complete the purchase by reviewing the final confirmation screen and saving the receipt. This documents the gift card deduction and new balance. If the code is rejected, pause, re-enter digits carefully, check for activation requirements, and try a different browser or device. Should issues persist, contact the card issuer with your transaction ID and merchant details. They can verify activation and fund status. One key troubleshooting tip: keep screenshots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.